Hi everyone, welcome back to Paulina's Global Flavors. It has been a while since I've recorded a longer video, and I promise this time it truly is going to be within 5 minutes or so, maybe 6 minutes, maybe 5 minutes and 30 seconds, but no more than 6 or 7 minutes. And it's because I've already recorded 3 short videos, each about a minute long, and we're gonna get started. This weekend I experimented with Ethiopian cuisine and I am in love with it. I want to give a shout out to my friend who owns Kibrum's Ethiopian restaurant on State Street. Ooh, I'm salivating just thinking about the foods that we had there. Give the restaurant a try. It is absolutely delicious. And I want to give a shout out to my friends in Slovakia, Anna, Jakub, and Nina, for treating me to a special lunch in which inspired me to then follow up and make this delicious collection of Ethiopian delights. So first video is injera, which is a traditional, symbolic, flat Ethiopian bread made out of teff flour, which is unique to the regions or the region. And then the second recipe, which is doro, a chicken spice stew in this particular spice, again symbolic to Ethiopia. Berbere, if I'm pronouncing it right, if not, forgive me. And then the last, I added Ethiopian eggplant dip, which is absolutely delicious with yogurt. And then I added a vegetarian type dish, which is I'm going to call a stuffed eggplant blossom, all vegetarian. And I added, of course, cream cheese just to give it that creamy texture. And the recipe won't be in there, but you get to see how it transforms from vegetable into something that is baked and absolutely delicious. As you can see, I am thoroughly in love with Ethiopian cuisine, and the injera, the bread, is, oh my gosh, my new favorite. So, I hope you give this set of recipes a try. So delicious. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you share this video, and we'll catch you at the next episode.